Today I am going to show you one of the ERP tool that is entirely built on the Excel, and it is being used by Sport Academy, and they are also the end user for this tool. There are different sections, so let's talk about one by one. So first one is the detail section where you can enter the details. Let's go there. There are different fields. Basically these are the column headers where you can put the information and you can save it. If you want to clear all the fields, there is a button to do that. You click on that and it will clear all the fields. And if you want to save the records, you can save the record. Once the record is saved, it is going to appear in the database. And there is a home button that if you click on it, you will go back to the main section. Let's go to the different section, that is view edit details. So this is sort of entire database. So there are different criteria you can use it, like location. If you go to the location, you can select any location and the records will only appear that meet the criteria, that has the similar location. Similarly, you have the first name search. You can select any first name and this will going to appear here. Similar with the status. And if you go to again click on the show all, it will start showing you all the records. So there is also option if you want to sort anything like location, from first name, from serial number, and there is an option if you want to print any record, you click on this printer icon and it will be get printed. And there is a section if you want to change the status for any particular row. If you want to delete, there is a button to delete. It will ask you, do you want to delete this record or not? Now if you want to edit any of the record, you just need to click over here and you can see the entire information that is related to that particular record will appear here. If you want to make any changes, you just need to click on the save icon, and if you want to go back, there is a button, and if you want to go to the home screen, there is another button. So I am going back to the previous menu and now I am going back to the main menu. Now let's talk about the another section, that is reports. In reports we have the different filters we can apply. For example, if I go to the year and select this particular year, so I will have all the records pertaining to this particular year. I can select any location there. I can select the status and select the pass only students, and I go to the particular location and I can select this particular location. So after selecting these filters, I need to click on this button. Now these are the headers. If you click all the headers, you will see all the headers in your report, and if you select particular headers, you will only see that particular headers there. Now there is an option if you want the report into PDF or you want to report in the XLS format. So you can also enter the report name here. You can enter test something, whatever you want, and you click on the generate report. Now it is saying report has been generated and this is the path. And this is the other report that we can also create. Basically it will just ask you, this is kind of short report. You can enter the month name and the year, and now you can see the report once you click it this way. So now we are going to click on this home button and it will bring us to the main screen. There is another section, view data. Basically there are predefined password and username. So if you enter the correct username and password, it will get to know that whether you have the admin access or the guest access. Basis on that, it will show you the data. We are not going to enter this thing. So now there is another section, data insights, but client was not interested in this, so we drop this thing. And there is exit button to save the application, but when you click on it, it will ask you save the file or not. It will also create the backup if you click on the yes.